Hong Kong has eased some COVID-19 restrictions as new daily infections drop to single digits. Gyms and massage parlours have been allowed to reopen. Restaurants can now offer dine-in services until 10 p.m, but with no more than 2 patrons per table. At the same time, the city has extended its mass coronavirus testing scheme by 4 days to next Friday. Thousands of people have already gone for the voluntary test. So far, 6 infections have been identified through the testing scheme. Roland Lim with more.
As more than 520,000 people have already been tested, while 917,000 have actually booked appointments. Now, so far, we've had 6 positive cases confirmed. 4 were from previously known clusters, while 2 were new ones. Health Secretary Sophia Chan says and defended the effectiveness of the program, saying that the low rate of positive results still provided key insights to the government's work in the future. She says that even if they found just 1 case, it was very important because it's a good sign that they're not uncovering as many cases. The Health Secretary also thanking mainland authorities for their support in the scheme, saying that Hong Kong would not have been able to do the necessary scheme here without their help. Now, in total, some 420 mainland technicians are in town to carry out the tests night and day. In fact, 200 of them actually arrived just yesterday. Now, Ms. Chen defended the move to host these technicians because she said that Hong Kong didn't have the resources nor the equipment to carry out such a scheme here. Civil Service Secretary Patrick Nip, whose bureau is actually running the scheme at the 140-plus test centre, says that the program could help end the 3rd wave of the infection and to lead to the reopening of businesses, as well as allowing for the resumption of cross-border travel. Now, Mr. Nip says that it was still too early to give a dollar figure for the scheme, but stressed that its effectiveness shouldn't be judged by just the number of positive cases alone. Mr. Nip also saying that a further extension of the scheme is possible if demand remains high, though it would wrap up by September 14th at the very latest.